Okay, here we go. My first unboxing video. It's the unboxing of my new Dell Inspiron 17R Sandy Bridge, second generation Sandy Bridge Core i5 processor, 4 gig of memory, 500 gig hard drive, and I tried to find a little bit of appropriate background music. I've already taken a liberty of cutting the tape so that I can have my hands free. I've got, obviously, the packing list. Beautiful little thing. Hello. And here we go. So far, so good. We have the shipping box on the outside, and we've got a couple of finger holes here to slide out inside. Oh, here we go. Flip the sides down. Okay. Pardon me, this is the accessory pack. First thing on top, the accessory pack, which has... God, I've never seen such a small charger for a laptop in my life. Somebody finally got it right. So we got, charger and cable. Cool. Packing material. Of course. More packing material. Now down in here, I see something down here. We're going to save the big moment of the laptop till I get everything else out. A little baggie with warranty card, safety environmental. And the disc. Good. Recovery disc. Always handy. And now the big moment. Out comes the laptop. Not on the rug, Steve. If you read the blog entry that is connected with this, or one of the blog entries, you'll see that this why I'm actually bothering to do this. Beautifully packaged. More tape. Connect AC adapter before using your system the first time. Okay, so we will remember to do that. And take the edge. And you know what? I'm going to switch hands here. Oh, bother. Here's the sound of the bag in the background because I have to use the camera hand to pull the bag off the unit. My God, this thing's huge. Complete with interchangeable lids, which I didn't buy any. Wow, check the shine on that. And nope, backwards. And whoop. Finally, the opening up of the laptop. And there she is.